Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Disturbed by the recent threats of the reformed Niger Delta Avengers to resume attacks on oil installations over the federal government's alleged reluctance to transform the Niger Delta region, the Oil and Gas Host Communities of Nigeria, HOSCOM, recently visited Minister of Niger Delta Affairs, Senator Godswill Akpabio, to chart the way forward for sustainable peace and development in the region. Senator Akpabio, while responding to issues bothering the region, assured oil-producing communities in the Niger Delta of a better deal under the Buhari administration.
The 16-man delegation of Oil and Gas Host Communities of Nigeria, comprising elders and youth leaders from the Niger Delta, had brought to the table for discussion issues bordering on application of 13% oil derivation funds, non-payment of 98 billion naira gas flare penalty funds to host communities, as well as the continued underdevelopment of Nigeria's oil-rich region. The group was led by Senior Special Assistant to the President on Niger Delta Affairs, Senator Ita Enang.
We've handled a few things. Firstly, the 13% derivation, which we've taken to almost a point of decision. We've been handling other community issues. I've also been working with them in ensuring that Mineral Derivation Commission at the federal level to apply in respect of all minerals, not just oil minerals, and that all states, particularly in the Niger Delta, set it up, particularly Akwa Ibom, Rivers and Bayelsa, which do not have. So today we said we needed to come and brief the minister in charge of Niger Delta Affairs.
At the meeting with the Honorable Minister of Niger Delta Affairs, traditional rulers and leaders of the Niger Delta drew his attention to the persistence of widespread poverty, underdevelopment and insecurity in their region, despite many years of implementing the Presidential Amnesty Program that was designed to promote rapid development to douse tension in the region.
Your Excellency, we are saying that you should throw your weight behind what HOSCOM is asking for on the issue of this gas flare payments to the host community. One. Two, that you should throw your weight behind the host community on the issue of a pipeline surveillance. Sometimes our children will behave somehow. We may not blame them because no work, nothing, and they feel neglected.
The Niger Delta must have at least one mega city. We need a coastal road, maybe possibly a monorail on that road from Bakassi to Badagry. Those are the sort of things we're thinking of. More universities. I'm working on a university on the coast.
Senator Akpabio, in his response, commended leaders of the Niger Delta for prevailing on agitated youths in the region to give peace a chance in their engagement with the federal government. He assured them that under the Buhari administration, all agreements reached with oil-producing communities will be honored.
Every war on earth ends up on a table like this. And therefore, we cannot be firing gun and at the same time meeting. Whatever arrangement you have with the current administration of President Muhammadu Buhari will be kept.
Earlier, the Oil and Gas Host Communities of Nigeria had visited Deputy Senate President Senator Ovie Omoagege to make a case for direct access to 13% oil derivation funds.
We are now informed that there is going to be a National Derivation Commission, a commission that will involve not just the oil and gas produced in Niger Delta, but solid mineral in the north, including the gold and other solid mineral found in the north. So it is a national thing now. It's not just oil and gas. But we, the Niger Delta people, most community, we have initiated this thing to this point. And we want to appeal with you, as you usually do, to ensure that in the course of this commission, we are not silent.
I know what it means for the youth of Niger Delta to show anger. Why Nigeria can survive NSAS, it would be almost impossible for Nigeria to survive the anger of the youth of Niger Delta. taking that into account, that's why I reached out and pleaded with you that whatever your grievances, sheath your swords.
It was to avert likely breakdown of law and order in the Niger Delta in the wake of the recent disturbance across the country that oil and gas host communities decided to confer with political leaders from the region. They are hopeful that prompt action will be taken by the federal government to look into their demands and douse tension in the region.
Inside the Niger Delta,